In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the underline style on your text for a touch of personal flair and to help certain text stand out. Whether you're working on a document, a presentation, or just adding some style to an email, knowing how to customize your underlines can be incredibly useful. So, let's dive right in and explore how to do this on both Windows and Mac systems in a few simple steps. First, you'll want to begin by selecting the text that you wish to underline. This highlights the portion of text that you'll be working with. It might seem like a small detail, but it's an essential step, setting your focus on the exact words you want to emphasize. You can easily do this by clicking and dragging across the text, or, if you're dealing with a larger block, try holding the Shift key and clicking where you want the selection to end. Next, here is where the process differs slightly depending on whether you're using a Windows or Mac system, so listen closely. For Windows users, it's as simple as pressing Ctrl and the D key together on your keyboard. This fantastic shortcut will instantly open up the font dialog box for you. Meanwhile, if you're on a Mac, you'll want to navigate to the Format menu at the top of your screen and select Font. Both of these actions will bring you to the same handy tool, the Font dialog, which is where the real customization begins. Within the Font dialog, you will see an option labeled Underline Style. Here's where you can get creative and choose an underline style that suits your taste or the tone of your document. There's a variety of options to pick from, whether you prefer the simple elegance of a single line or want something a bit more eye-catching, like a double line or a dashed underline. Take a moment to explore which one works best for your needs. Once you have your style selected, there's one more customization available. You'll see an underline color drop-down. This is a fun way to further personalize the appearance. Remember, this option changes only the color of the line beneath your text, leaving the text color itself untouched. You can choose a color that complements your text, or one that stands out, depending on what you're aiming to highlight. After you've made your selection, simply click OK. It's that easy. Your chosen text will now feature an underline tailored exactly to your specifications, with the style and color that you picked. And that's it! You've added a stylish touch to your document with just a few clicks. And there you have it. Personalizing your underline styles is just a few clicks away, adding a quick touch of style and emphasis to your work. Thanks for tuning in, and happy customizing!